Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this quick mill Vetrano 2B Evo here, and this machine had a broken heating element in the brew boiler, and actually it's pretty unusual. It was completely broken open, so hopefully you can see that here. You can see there's a big crack in this, and then inside of the heating element is this is diatomaceous earth inside of here, and it seeped out into the boiler, so I had to rinse the boiler about 4 times, and then I put a new heating element in and then rinsed it out a few more times. But in addition to this, I gave the machine a tune-up. So I descaled the steam boiler, and then I changed the group head screen and gasket. So here's that, and then I backflushed the group head to remove all the coffee residue, deep cleaned the steam wand, and just wiped down the whole machine, cleaned up everything. So this machine didn't come with a portafilter, so I'm just going to show you a demo of the water coming out of the group head and the steam and hot water. So hopefully hopefully you can see that the water is clear. And then we've got hot water. Again, clear water. And then here's our steam. We've got nice strong steam here. And that's about it for this video. So if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.